The Douglas fir stands a cathedral, roots buried like secrets, deep and wide. I lean into its shadowed arms, find solace in its silent pride. The forest hums with an ancient tune, low and knowing, a thunder without sound. Branches whisper stories of before, of roots and loss and love unbound. Here, where light filters like memory, I feel myself unwound and new. The trees, they breathe so I can breathe. They hold me steady, they pull me through. In bark and moss I see the scars, the places where they've bent but never broke. From them I drink a quiet strength, the language of the steadfast oak. So I walk deeper, lose my name, a shadow under a towering pine. In their grace I taste my smallness, and in that smallness I find the divine.